So the rest of the projects that we're going to do in GPIO require the files and tutorials from Freenove. So to bring that package in, we're going to open up the terminal, and then we're going to type in the command line git clone space dash dash depth space 1. And then the URL that we want to access is https:// and then github.com/ then Freenove with a capital F, then slash, and Freenove _ultimate starter kit then 4 with a lowercase f _ and then capital raspberry _ and a capital pi .get. Okay, so git clone dash dash depth 1, then the URL, it's case sensitive, so be careful with your cases and your spelling, and then .get when you press enter, and then it's going to run through this sequence to download the files from GitHub, and then make sure that you read through this to make sure that it came through okay. So if you see anything that says that there's errors or something wasn't installed, then you want to let me know. Okay. So now, so you can see more monitor. There we go. Okay, now we're going to open up our File Explorer and make sure that that the package is there that we just brought in. So you should have in your home directory in the Pi folder a folder now called Freenove Ultimate Starter Kit. Okay, go ahead and double click to open that. Okay, and then you should see a folder that says tutorial.pdf. Okay, so we're going to double click to open up that tutorial.